So welcome back to my channel. This is Viral Studio channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can generate privacy policy and terms and conditions for your website. So let me take you to a few steps on how to create that. First of all, open your Google or your browser and enter terms feed, or you can simply type AdSense privacy policy generator, or let me just use this. After this, you click enter and here you see terms feed. You can see terms feed, and then the next thing you do is to click open terms feed, and when you get to this point you log in, or if you don't have an account already, you sign up. But I myself, I have an account with them already, then I don't need to sign up. All I need is login. And when you get to home, then you click here, you see there are many options here where you can select any of them that you want to use. This privacy policy, terms and conditions, cookie consent, and cookie policy generator, and many other options. So, but first of all, let me use privacy policy generator. Just click start, and when you get here, you either select website or apps depending on whatever you want to use it for. But for me, I want to use it for my website. Then I'll click next. Here I'll enter the name of the website. No, this is not the name of my website. Okay, here I'll enter Real Health. No, put it, let me make it this way. Okay, https:/realhealth.com.ng. Make sure that this is correct. Then here you enter your site about, or just the name, but I prefer to enter this health gist. So after this, you scroll down here, you select either I'm a business or individual. But let me just select I'm a business. So here I'll enter the name of the company, which is your site name. Let me just put the health gist. Okay, or let me just put my this is Real Health. Okay, here you enter the address. You enter the address, and my address is okay. Let me look for the best address to use here. And okay, 62 Church Road. You okay, let me just use that. Then you scroll down, you select your state, you select your country. I'm from Nigeria, a troublesome country. Then after this, you click next, and when you get to this point, you select social media, and then next step. Here you select by email, privacy policy by email, and here you enter your email address. You can simply enter your website email address, and my own is simple: contact contact at realhealth.com. ng. Make sure that this is correct. Contact at realhealth.com.ng. Then after this, the next thing you do is to click next step, and you're almost done. When you get to this point, just scroll down here and select either of these two things. When you select this one, yes, I want to upgrade to the professional privacy policy to include professionals. For GDPR, CCPA, CPRA and other premium early provisions, here they will ask you to pay $24 for this, and this one $14. But if you don't have money to do this, I myself, I don't have money, so I will select no, I don't want the professional privacy policy. So after this, you click next step, and immediately you get to this point, all you have to do is to click on generate, and you wait for a few minutes. Here you can see my privacy policy is ready. You can see the preview here, and the next thing you do is to come down here and click copy to clipboard. Then immediately you move to your website. So this is my website, and move to the home dashboard, and you can see I was customizing my site. So when you get here, move to the dashboard, and when you get to the dashboard, then the next thing you have to do is to move to the pages and select all pages. So when I was designing this site, I've already added my about us page, contact us page, privacy policies page, and terms and conditions page. So here all I'll have to do is to, okay, I made a mistake here. Let me quickly edit this now. Privacy policy, then update, and after this you click on edit, and immediately you get to this point. This is where many people normally find it difficult, so pay good attention to this space. So the next thing you have to do, if you open this page like this, and if you try pasting those the privacy policy which you just generated, see what you see here. So all these things is in a code format. So this is wrong. This is not how to do it. Some people normally paste their own like this, but bring your ear closer. Let me gist you. First of all, remove this. If you have anything there already, remove it. And after removing it, okay, here is back to the normal position. Come over here if you're using classic editor. Come over here, you see visual and text. So what you do is click on text. When you click on text, then come back and paste that same word. So now you can see that I pasted it as a text. Now go back to visual. You can see it here. This is what you see. So this is very simple, and immediately you do this, just go through it and make sure that everything is correct. Then you can see the email I added that time. So if you move up here, you can also do this. This is in form of subheading. So you have to select heading 2. So after this, you click update, and immediately you click update. You wait for it to publish, and okay, it's already published. Let's click on view page. Let's see what we've successfully created. So when you get here, you will see it here. You can see our privacy policy is ready. So you can see it here. This is amazing. So the next thing we will have to generate now is terms and conditions. So when you scroll down here, you can see we have about those terms and conditions, privacy policy, and contact us. So we've succeeded generating privacy policy. So here we'll have to generate for terms and conditions, because as for now it's empty, there's nothing there. So go back to your terms feed, and when you get here, then scroll up and click here so that you move back to the home. Here you will select the terms and conditions options. Okay, immediately you get to this point, it's very simple. You select website as usual, and here you enter your site name. Our site name is realhealth.com.ng. so when you come down here, you select your what is your website name. Let me use HealthGist, and here you select I'm a business. Your site, what is this, the name of the business. Here you select Real Health. Okay, and address 62 Church Road, U. Okay, here you select your state. I'm from Nigeria, as I told you before. So you select that and click on next options. Here you have to, if you select any of this is can users create account. This is just a question. If you select yes, then you have to pay $24 for this service. And if you come here and also select test, $24 plus $24, then you calculate it, you know how much it will be, $48. So but I don't have money. So if you are someone like me that doesn't have money, then you have to select no, and come here to and select no. And this, do you offer subscription plans? No. And do you want to make it clear that your content and trademark? No. So I'll have to select no for all of these things. And when you get here, you select by email and enter your email here. So my email is contact at realhealth.com.ng. So this is the email we selected the other time, and make sure that this is correct so that you won't have issue after generating it. So you have to check well to make sure that everything is spelled correct. Contact at realhealth.com.ng. Then after this, you scroll down and click next step. So when you get here, okay, this one we didn't select, this one select no too. Make sure you select no in all of them, then go back and click next. We are already there. This is the final button. Then you click generate, then you wait for your terms and conditions to be generated. Here you can see it, I have successfully generated it. Then as usual, you come here and copy this to clipboard, then go back to your website. When you get to your website, you click on terms and conditions, and here you click edit page because it is empty, there's nothing here. So when you click on edit page, as I told you before, do not paste it this way. Immediately you get here, then the next thing you will do is to come over here and click on text, and after clicking on text, you come over here and paste it. Immediately you paste it, then go back to visual. You can see it in a text format. It's very nice. It's very nice. You can see the name of our website and other things. Then immediately you are done with this, then you click on update. So immediately you click on update. This is very nice. Then the next thing is to move. Let's view the page. Okay, this is very nice. Oh, we forgot to do something here to reduce this to terms to page 2 heading. So let's go back and edit it. So you place your cursor here and select H2. So after that, you click update. Okay, after updating it, let's click on view page to know how it looks like. This is looking amazing. Let's scroll down. This is nice. This is looking very pretty. So after editing it like this, remember we first of all created privacy policy, and secondly we created terms and conditions. You can also use this website to do other things, so it left for you to choose the right option that suits your aim. So thank you all for watching, and I would appreciate to have your subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss my next video. Thank you all, and I love you. Bye.